in the recent prevailing situations, the coronavirus has become one of the big challenge for entire human being around the globe. So here in the map we can see that uh, approximately entire world is in danger, and there specifically we can see that highlighted version of the map, the mostly infected areas of the world, which specifically is the European countries including USA. So from the broader side, but till now Russia is safe. You cannot see anything. You cannot see any coronavirus patients in Russia. So we cannot say what is the fact behind that. But on the map, when we check it, we can see what is the situation around the globe, and you can see by yourself on the map. Here's the dark green and light green. Light green shows there's little case of COVID-19, and dark green shows that there are many uh, cases of COVID-19. So it totally shows this European countries specifically, and the US, including the subcontinents, is mostly affected, including China. But according to source, the China has recovered. So the further it has become a big issue and challenge to the societies. There are many patients which are dying day by day. So there's different reports from the different areas, but according to so the base was from China. According to source, the cases has been about to end in China. There is no any new cases and local transmissions. Uh, the total cases, coronavirus cases, has seems in China was 81,708, and the deaths were 3,331, and recovered the entire others. This was 77.078 was recovered, and hopefully they will all recover, because it is not in much deadly as variants, but unfortunately in European countries the result is something else. So the result shows that the base where it has started, it controlled to, it looks, it will control. From the other side, there's the mine, the actual mine of the coronavirus is no more. So hopefully it will cover within uh, some few weeks or months. But with another side, if we see the world graph of total corona patients and recoveries, and that's is 12 millions, is it's around 1278,654, and the death is 69,758. That's a big number of death, which is a very big challenge for the human being. And the recoveries are quite good, is 200,000 and 267,085 patients has been recovered. So the story is that there is no any vaccine yet. People are trying to make vaccines. All the researchers around the globe, including the health laboratories and the students, doctors, all the professionals is professionals are in ground in the laboratories to make vaccines and to make medicines. But unfortunately there are no any specific and confirmed medicine to tackle this uh, virus. This virus has to be controlled, but unfortunately the world is unable to introduce a medicine to control it. So there are many patients, but there is no medicine. But some researchers, including in US, uh, and some was out in China, using different methods to cover and medicate coronavirus. Some of the laboratories uh, just advising that we can use the medicine of malaria and HIV medicines to cover this and that. Some sort it was helpful, but the WHO and CDC has not approved these medicines. So at the end, we can say that there's no any single medicine for COVID-19 till now, and hopefully within weeks or within months, the human being, the scientists, the doctors will be ready, will get ready some medicines to tackle this coronavirus. So at the end, I just request all of you to subscribe my channel